Okay guys, so you've been wondering how do you create an EDpuzzle. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through how I expect you to create an EDpuzzle. So what I did was I joined one of the class periods. I joined first period. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to pretend I'm a student. I'm going to create an EDpuzzle. So you're going to hit start. You're going to get the directions here, which we went over during class. And I'm actually not going to follow the directions. I'm going to look for a silly video instead just to show you how to make an EDpuzzle. So hit start again, and it's going to bring you to a search page, which is this is something you have not seen before. So you can look for EDpuzzles that have already been created by going here. You can look on YouTube, Khan Academy, Learn Zillion, National Geographic, TED Ed, and if you scroll down, there's Vimeo and Crash Course down there. So what I'm going to look for is a video called, I'm going to go on YouTube, and I'm going to look for Marcel the Shell with shoes on, because I love that video. Yay, here it is, Marcel the Shell with shoes on. So I'm going to use it. So I'm going to click use it right here. So now I get my video. Okay, normally I would expect for you to actually watch the video first. I've seen this several times, so I know what's on it. So right here I can crop my video. So you see those scissors? That means I'm in the crop mode for my EDpuzzle. So I actually don't really want to crop this too much. I'm just going to cut out a little bit of the end, and maybe I'll cut out a little bit of the beginning. And it kind of will filter out what you're cropping. So right here, I've cropped out 5 seconds of video. So I'm done cropping. So now if I wanted to do audio track, if I wanted to add some audio track over this video, that's when I would do it right here. I would pick my spot and record it. I've personally never done that, so I don't know how to do it. But if you want to learn how to do it, you could just hit this show me how, and you could see a video explaining how. If you want to add notes, again, I haven't done that yet, but you could go ahead and just hit the show me how button. What I really want to do is I want to add questions. Okay, so why add questions during the video? Because that's how I know you actually watch the video. So what you do is, as you're watching the video, and I don't know if this is going to play, as it's being kind of silly. There she is. I want to insert a question. So I'm going to hit the question button, and it's going to stop the video. And here I have choices. So I can do an open-ended question, meaning that students will have to type in their answer. I can do a multiple choice question. And so there's only 2 choices here, but let's say I wanted to have a 3 or 4 multiple choice. I could just add some more here. So let's do a multiple choice. I'm going to put, why do you think Marcel wears shoes? Okay. Because she can. And I don't know, Marcel, I guess, is a boy's name, but she sounds like a girl, so I'm going to assume she's a girl. I'm going to put, they are not shoes, they are her feet. And that's just to show you what it looks like to add an answer. What shoes? Okay, I'll see those are wrong. Now I'll hit save, and now my question is inserted. So I'm going to move this along, and let's say I want to add a question somewhere down here. There we go. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to move this down, and I want to add a question here. Let's see. Let's go here. And who is Marcel calling? Okay. And there's my open-ended question. And so students or people who are going to look at your EDpuzzle, they're going to have to answer who is Marcel calling by actually typing in here and then pressing the button. Okay? And if at any time you need to change one of your questions, go back. Maybe you don't like it. Maybe I don't like this question. You can just go to it and you can hit edit. You can change what the correct answer is. You could just delete it right here. And then I'm going to go to the very end and I'm going to add this right here is just a comment. But I love this show because it makes me happy. So there we go. That is pretty much how you will create your video. You can hit save, making sure everything is saved. Then you'll hit finish. Okay, and now at this point you haven't submitted your video to me yet, but you can hit submit to submit your project, or maybe you can come back to it later and you can edit it. Maybe you don't like the video you picked and you can delete it. But that's pretty much how you're going to make your EDpuzzle. So I'm going to hit submit and submit my video. Make sure it gives me a chance to change my mind. And there I'm done.